5 tools that every single real estate agent should have in 2024. Let's dive in. And the first tool is your CRM. If you're a newer agent and you're still using your brokerage CRM, it is not a good idea. Real estate agents frequently change brokerages, and leaving all your database to your broker might be very, very painful. Even if you download all your contacts and upload it to a new CRM, even worse, CRM of your new broker, that's still going to be a pretty big learning curve on how to use it, what are these tools, how to properly implement them. Instead, I would highly recommend you have your own CRM, and if you switch the brokerages, all you gotta do is just switch the signature on your email, maybe a couple brandings, and you're done. You're taking your database to anywhere you go. And most importantly, you're gonna learn how to use it, because CRM is not just a big phone book with all the numbers. It has the data of your communication. It has all the tools to connect with other systems and tools that are available for agents, and have everything set up and working as a well-oiled machine is very important. And CRM is the core of your real estate business. In terms of brands, my personal favorite is Follow Up Boss. I've been using Follow Up Boss for almost 10 years now and never been disappointed with it. There are also good CRMs out there. There are some more expensive than the others. Follow Up Boss at this point for a single agent around $70, which I think is very affordable. Plus, this is something that you can talk to your CPA. That might be a tax-deductible expense. So paying about $70 for your CRM, in my opinion, is very affordable. And you can also have a link in my description to get your free trial. Moving forward, after you get CRM, we need to consistently feed our CRM with contacts. Yes, on one hand, you can start buying online leads. On the flip side, these leads are very expensive, and for the most part, you will be getting buyers' leads. And I'm a big fan of being the listing agent, and I hope you do too if you're tuning up to my channel. So I would highly recommend you this platform called Espresso Agent. In Espresso Agent, you can get leads from for sale by owners, from expires, from the neighborhoods. Yes, these people, they didn't raise their hand and told us that they want to work with you. However, they're at the bottom of the funnel and they express their interest to sell their property, or they in the neighborhood where you have a listing or your brokerage listing, you can reach out to these people and offer them your services. So Espresso Agent offers the dialer that you can incorporate to make things faster. And you can also get very reliable numbers for expired listings, so you can call the people that actually tried to sell their house in the past. So this is one of my favorite tools. Also, the link in the description below, you will have $100 discount if you use the link. Try it out and you will not be disappointed. There's also another tool to get leads, a little more precise tool that's called Propstream, where you can actually preset how much mortgage the person owns, or if they divorced, if they own property under LLC, if they live in the property or it's tenant occupied. However, after generating all these data, you will have to trace all the numbers, and that comes with an extra cost. So it is also a great tool, especially if you're doing mailers. If you do phone calls, it's also great, but the fact that I have to pay for every single number that I gain, it is a little upsetting. I would like to get just one flat fee a month that I can easily incorporate into my budget. However, it is another great tool that I can also recommend. Number 3, and you know, if it can be on video, it should be on video. Video marketing in real estate is huge, and we need to be better and better with it every day. This is why I would recommend you this software that will help you edit your reels, your videos, and make them look professional without high-end video editing skills. And the name of this tool is Cupcut. With a free version of Cupcut, you can still edit your videos to make them look beautiful. However, if you get Pro version, you can whiten your teeth, you can make your face look slimmer, you can add all these bells and whistles to make your video look prettier, more advanced, more techy. And as soon as your client's gonna see that you're great with video editing, they will hire you because this is what you do for a living. You're a marketer. So if you're a marketer, you need to make beautiful videos. Yes, I know we have other tools such as Final Cut that is more advanced, more expensive, and more difficult to use. With Cupcut instead, it's more advanced than iMovie, but it's easier to use. And right here, you can click and learn how to use Cupcut, step-by-step tutorial, particularly for real estate agents who are explaining how to edit property tours. So click right here and learn about Cupcut. Next tool that I recommend is email marketing. And those who are saying that email marketing is dead, I would highly disagree with you. Email marketing is one of the most powerful tools to market to our database. Obviously, we need to market to people who gave us permission to market them via email, but we also use emails on day-to-day basis. We pay close attention on what is getting into our email boxes, and we want to make sure that these emails is impactful and valuable to our clients. More than that, regarding to the previous tool, the Cupcut, if it can be on video, it better be on video. This is why I love BomBomb. BomBomb is a tool that will help you not just send bulk emails like many other platforms would. It will allow you to send embedded videos with it. And as a cherry on the pie, it will also allow you to get notified when the person opens and watches that video. And as soon as the person watches the video, what you're gonna do? Pick up the phone and make the call. And what you're gonna hear? Hey, I just watched your video. Of course you did, I got notification. Wouldn't that be powerful if you're sending a proposal or if you're sending comparable sales or you helping understand the market to your buyer? With all these scenarios, BomBomb will play the key role in making the decision towards your goal. It also helps you to send bulk emails. You can get very high delivery rate. BomBomb has great reputation, and by using bulk email with BomBomb, you have significantly higher open and click-through rate rather than just using your Gmail. And the last one is ChatGPT. Yes, we all know about ChatGPT. It created the roar in the real estate industry in the whole world all together, but I'm talking about the paid version of ChatGPT 4.0. It's a very inexpensive tool that can do so much more than just 3.5 version that is available for free. You can create PDFs, you can analyze data. You literally can download all your data from MLS, upload it to ChatGPT 4.0, ask ChatGPT to analyze the data, and use this information for your listing presentation, for your videos, for your market updates, for negotiations. And this is how you can simplify things that will take you hours and hours to analyze by hand. Need to write an email. That's the fastest way for you to get your own words into beautifully crafted email that will look more professional, more compelling, and that will lead you to results that you want. You remember I was talking about the bonus at the very beginning, and this is the bonus. We all need to generate leads online. Yes, we have for sale bonus expires and circle dialing options, but we want to talk to people who are actually raising their hands and asking us to be their guide, their counselor, their real estate agent they trust. This is why I recommend you start using Easy Agent Pro. This is a website platform where you can build your website, where you can build your landing pages. It has Google Analytics, it has CRM incorporating. So there is so many things that you can put together in order for you to create useful and, more importantly, working website that will help you generate leads. If you're just using your brokerage website, it's not getting you anywhere. It's like a bad business card. So get yourself a website that will help you generate leads, possess yourself as a reputable brand, and help you scale your business faster. To get links for all the tools that I discussed in the video, just simply go to description. Many of those links contain bonuses, discounts, free trials, so test them out. I'm sure that you will see value in those. If you'd like to learn more about Cupcut that I was talking about earlier, here is the video. Please click on it and don't forget to subscribe because I'm posting these videos every week and I want you to be notified. It's time to get back to business. Go crush it.